Welcome to the thermodynamics lab again. Today we are going to perform our third and fourth experiment of thermolab. The third experiment we are going to perform today is to show that PRT is a good reference temperature sensor. PRT is basically the platinum resistance temperature sensor. And the experiment fourth is to show and compare the linearity of J and K type thermocouples. That means in experiment 3 we are using PRT and in experiment 4 we are using J and K type thermocouples. Both are the types of temperature measuring devices. And these experiments will be performed on this apparatus termed as temperature measurement and calibration apparatus. This apparatus helps students to show the characteristics of different temperature measuring devices, their advantages and disadvantages, and how to use them correctly to achieve better accuracy. The apparatus consists of the following parts. This is the heater tank. This is the ice box. This is the heater switch. This is the reference sensor, reference display on which you can see that different values of pressure, temperature are displayed. This is the AMB is the ambient pressure, TREF is the reference temperature, and boils shows the value of water at boiling water. Similarly, this is the multi-volt meter which shows the values of voltage at different inputs, input 1, input 2, input 3, input 4. These are the low voltage connections for PRT sensors and thermistor and the thermocouple J and K types. This is the amplifier 20. That means it amplifies the values of voltage at 20. Now this heater tank has a removable lid with holes to hold the different equipments during experiments. Now remove this lid. Now you can see that inside this lid, this is the reference sensor, first one, level sensor, and this is the electrical heater which heat up the water. To start the experiment, fill this heater tank with water and close this lid. Now you can see that a stick on temperature sensor is available on the front of the heater tank to show the rise of temperature during heating in this tank. Now there are several different devices are available with this equipment. You can see that this is the gas thermometer, this is the glass thermometer, this is the bimetal thermometer, this is the thermowell. This is basically the PRT, which we called platinum resistance temperature sensor. This is the K type thermocouple, you can see that, and this is the J type thermocouple, and here is this is the reference sensor. Now to start the experiment, first of all connect this reference sensor and put this reference sensor into the heater tank. Similarly, take the PRT. As we are going to perform our third experiment, and we know that our third experiment is show that PRT is the good reference temperature sensor. So put the PRT in the water tank and connect the PRT with the millivolt meter. And the constant current source. Now you can see that as we connected this PRT, the value of voltage appears on the millivoltmeter. Now switch on the heater. As we switch on the heater, the electrical heater available inside this heater tank starts increasing the temperature of water. So wait for the few minutes and to heat up the water, and wait for the few seconds to stabilize the readings. After the few minutes, note down the readings from the reference display of temperature. Similarly, note down the value of voltage. At this time, the value of voltage is 123 at 58 or 59 approximately. And repeat this procedure for 3 to 5 times for PRT at equal intervals of temperature. Now this is the end of the experiment 3. Now as we know that in experiment 4 we have to use J and K type thermocouples. So for that purpose, switch off the heater, remove this PRT from the millivoltmeter section and the PRT sensor, and remove this PRT from the heater tank. Now take the J type thermocouple and pour it into the heater tank. Connect this J type thermocouple to the thermocouple and section. ठीक है. Similarly, switch on the heater and wait for few seconds for the heater to heat up the water and for the readings to stabilize. Similarly, after few minutes, note down the readings of temperature from the reference display and value of voltmeter from the millivoltmeter section. Now you can see that at this time no value of voltage is shown because the circuit is not complete. We are not connecting any wire from the millivoltmeter section. Now for that purpose, connect the extra wire from with the thermocouple section and the other connection with the millivoltmeter section. Similarly, connect another wire now. You can see that as we connected the wires with the input 2, the value of voltage appears at the V2, that is 31.8 at 75.1 degrees centigrade. Now to perform the experiments on the K-type thermocouple, again switch off the heater, remove these wires of J-type thermocouple and remove from the heater tank, and now pour the K-type thermocouple into the heater tank and similarly connect these wires with this thermocouple J and K type section. Switch on the heater and wait for the few minutes to heat up the water, and then note the readings from the reference display and millivoltmeter. Thank you.